Here at Brimell Toyota, we have a Drive Shield certified 2017 Toyota Corolla SE. Here's a quick look at the outside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has power locks and windows with an automatic driver's side window, power mirrors, leather trim on the seating, and this vehicle seats 5 passengers. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls on the left, and our display controls on the right. This vehicle also has AM and FM radio, a CD player, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio, a rear view camera, heated seating, and many more great features.